Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving MSVCP140.dll or VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found error with the origin, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser and it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19. Install both the file x86 and x64. So click on this file. Now click on the second file, that is x64. So make sure that you download both x86 and x64 and run this file. Click on it, then click on repair or install whatever you see. Click on yes to allow and then run the second file. So click on repair or install whatever you see. Click on yes to allow. And once the installation is complete, close this window. Do not restart your computer. Close it. If you see the restart, do not restart. Click on close. Scroll down. And here you can see Visual Studio 2013. Click on this hyperlink and again install both x64 and x86. So select the language English United States and click on this link. It will download the exe file. Scroll down and here you can see x86. Again select the language, click on this to download the exe file. Now again run both the exe file. Click on repair or install whatever you see. Run the second file as well. Click on repair or install. Click on yes to allow. And once this is complete, close both the window and then go to the start menu. Click on the power icon, then restart your computer. And after the restart, that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you're facing the problem, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Origin and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.